ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కే వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా IIT JEE మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కే వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ ని పరీక్షించుకునే కొరకు త్వరలో ఫ్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to K Venkanna classes. Yeah, today I have come with a new different topic. So what is the topic name? Yeah, definitely you can see on the board. What is that? One is the transportation. Sir, have you heard any time what is transportation? Transportation is nothing but the movement. So this is also the chapter from your 10th standard. So as I said in biology for you, the plant transportation, even the animal transportation is there. So when comes to the plant transportation here, so what actually plant transports? Whether water, plant takes water through the roots, yeah, food is also transported, right, isn't it? So the substances for their metabolic activity, even the plants had the transportation. Not only plants, any organism from a single cell to the multi-organism, they have their own transportation. Like a simple process like a diffusion to the complex one, like the closed system is there. So even we have the different systems in transportation, like open circulatory system you see in the arthropods. If you see the hydra, isn't it right? Water system, yeah, we can see. So this transportation both in plants as well as you can see in the animals. Animals means not from single cell to multicellular organism. Single cell, they all.
Hello students, myself is Sanjay Kumar Singh and I did my BE from Birla Institute of Technology, Misra, and I am having 18 years experience of teaching. Now I am associated with KVC classes. Now here the advantage which you people are going to get, that there is a technical pool of faculty, mostly from IITs. So this is one of the biggest enabler for achieving your success. The second best thing is that doubt classes and all, they are conducted in the presence of faculties. So third is that your entire curriculum, timing of teachings, all is being monitored by ITians and NITians. So come here and join us. Thanks.
Yeah, hello everyone. Hi. Yeah, welcome to K Venkanna classes. So in this video we have come with a new different topic. Can you tell the different topic here? So already written on the board. So what is it? Is the transportation. So have you heard it anywhere? Of course, in everyone. Yeah. So as I said in biology, both for you have the plant as well as the animal. So you can see both in plant as well as the animal. So let me discuss what is transportation. Transportation is nothing but the movement of substances. So in our body, if we take a blood, how it is transported? Next, if you take any other organism like a plant, so in plant, there will be blood? Did you see the blood any time? No. So water is transported, even the food, not only plant, not only any animal, any organism, like a single cell to the multicellular organism like arthropods, like porphyrinidarian, you have all this organism, they have their own transport system. Like arthropods, you have the closed open vascular system. Here in animals, you have the closed means like in a one tube. Nothing means closed, inside blood vessel, the blood pumps through the blood vessel like that. So it's called the closed. You don't see in the open tub, it is a freely moving one, like it is a, so you want to drink water, okay, with the help of glass you just drink it. So without glass you doesn't, right? The same thing here. The closed means something, it will be some means of transport will be there. So that may be the blood vessels, arteries, like that. So, yeah, what will be the weightage of the transportation? This is also the important chapter from your textbook. Can you tell the weightage here? Yeah, definitely. 2 mark, 4 mark, and also you can expect the 8 mark answers from this chapter. So, like these are the subtopics here. What are the subtopics? We will go on through it. So in that, importance of transportation is there. So we know that transportation was like, yeah, what is that? Transportation, nothing but the movement of substances for the metabolic activity. It's called the transportation. So we'll see the what is the importance of transportation. Next, here nothing much important here. No previous question from importance. Just simply definition is enough. Then internal structure of heart. This internal structure of heart, how much it is important, I can't say in my words. Okay, you put as many stars like. Okay, so this is the internal structure of the heart. So important question. You just have to definitely read it. Never miss. If you skip this, you never get good marks. Means out of out. Next, arteries and veins. What is the difference between artery and the vein? We have also the topic here. And next, single to double circulation. See how this blood is circulated, whether it is going for the single circulation or the double circulation. This is also important question. Double circulation is seen means, what is meant by the double circulation means the heart receives the blood twice. So that's called the double circulation we see in the human being. Single circulation means the heart receives a blood only once, that's called single circulation. Then coming with the lymphatic system means, lymph means, what is meant by the lymph? Everyone says lymph. Then what is meant by the lymph means nothing but a interstitial fluid present in a tissue. It will be white in color without blood, that's white matter. White fluid is called the lymph, not serum. No, serum plasma, that will be in this cell. Okay, that's not, it will be in the blood. Okay, what is the plasma means? Plasma will be in the body when your blood is in the body. Okay, blood minus the liquid is called the plasma. When it is outside, when you got any wound, something like a pus color one forms, is called the serum. So that the lymphatic system is for your 4 mark question here. These can be also asked as the 8 mark answer. Even the arteries to veins difference is can also ask for the 4 mark. And blood pressure. What is blood pressure? Do you have BP? Okay. No? Yes. That's called the BP. Blood pressure. The pressure exerted by the blood is called the blood pressure. When the blood is traveling, okay, so some pressure will be exerted, means form, that's called the blood pressure. That coagulation, next one, and it is blood pressure is measured by blood pressure. దేంతో measure చేస్తారు? బీపీ చెక్ చేస్తారు కదా. సో దట్స్ పిగ్నోమానోమీటర్ ఇస్ a device used to measure the BP. And the next one is the coagulation of the blood. Coagulation is nothing but the clotting of blood. So maniki if any wound occurs or any cut occurs, definitely clotting should be there. If no clotting, blood loss, so we be anemic. So that coagulation is very very important here. That can be asked as a question here. And finally till here we see the animal, and that means the transport system in animals. We see there is a human, heart, double circulation, arteries, veins, like that we see. And the last topic will be a plant transportation, like a plant, how it takes the water from the roots, not only water, minerals like minerals, microelements, macro, how it takes, and how food is transported from one part to another part, like a source and sink relation. We say source means giving one, okay, sink means using the one, resource we say, source means like here that resource here. So that what are the two tissues are involved, xylem and the phloem. Xylem is the tissue responsible for the conduction of water, and the phloem is responsible for the conduction of the food. So these are some subtopics in the transportation and the important questions. So can you tell me the important question, gunshot one? Yes, write it there. Internal structure of heart, important. So first you need to learn these things, then go with the other one. Then coming with the double circulation, important. First you need to read these questions, and later on you can rest read the other question. Double circulation is over, then arteries to veins difference. So the internal structure is very very important. Among this all these three are very important questions. So just go through our videos, just make a note on this, okay. You can just have one reading, okay, definitely you will get the answer, okay.